Hello children, in this video we are going to continue chapter 9 exercise number 2 how to convert the rupees and pies, that is converting rupees to pies and pies to rupees. So first we will see how to convert the rupees into pies. So here 5 rupees is given, we have to convert this 5 rupees into pies. So you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Okay, so whenever you are going to convert rupee to pies, you have to multiply with 100. Okay, when you are converting rupees to pies, that time you have to multiply whatever the value is given, whatever the amount, that is how much rupees is given, that rupees has to be multiplied with 100. So here we have 5 rupees. So this 5 rupees has to be multiplied with 100. That is 5 into 100. You will get 500. So that is, your answer is 500 pies. Okay. So second sum, 10 rupees 50 pies. So here you have 10 rupees 50 pies. You are going to convert this 10 rupees and 50 pies together to pies. Okay. So here I'll just write it 500. That is 5 rupees is equal to 500 pies. So here 10 rupees 50 pies has to be converted to pies. So here we have already 50 pies. So I am not going to convert that. I am going to keep as it is. Like I am going to split now 10 rupees plus 50 pies. So I am going to keep this pies as it is and I am going to convert only this rupees. So to convert rupees to pies, I told you you have to multiply by 100. So this 10 has to be multiplied with 100. Then you have to add this 50 pies. So 10 into 100 you will get 1000. That is 20 plus 10 is 30 you have to give, and 1 into 1, 1. So 1000 plus 50 pies. So when you multiply with 100, automatically it is converted to pies. So this 1000 pies plus 50 pies, you will get 1050 pies. So your answer is 1050 pies. Understood? So for example, I'll show you one more sum. 15, that is rupees 15.25. This has to be converted to pies. So here the dot is mentioned. So this dot splits the rupee and pies, that is 15 rupees 25 pies. So this you have to understand and then you have to do the same step. Okay, I'll just show you. 15 rupees plus 25 pies. So this 15 has to be multiplied with 100 plus 25. So when you multiply this, you will get 1500 plus 25. So this when you add, you will get 1525. So this you got 1525 pies. Okay. So now we will see how to convert the pies to rupees. So here 750 pies is given to you. This pies has to be written in rupees. So here whenever you convert pies to rupee, so to convert pies to rupees, you have to divide the value with 100. That is, I told you no, when you convert rupees to pies, the rupee value which is given in the question has to be multiplied with 100. Likewise, when you convert pice to rupees, whatever the paisa value is given, that paisa has to be divided with 100. So that after dividing, you will get your value as rupees. So here 750 pice is given. So this paisa value is 750. So this has to be divided with 100. Okay, so how will you write 750 divided by 100? Okay, so without doing division, I'll tell you the short way to find out the answer. So in the denominator, this is the numerator, this is denominator. So in the denominator, you have 2 zeros. Okay, so for this 2 zeros, the above value from your right side, 2 places after you have to keep decimal. That is, first write the value for this 2 zeros from the right side, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. From the ones place, move 2 place values and keep decimal. From the ones, tens you have to move. Okay, from right to left you have to move. You have to move right to left. So for 2 zeros, 2 places you are moving, that is shifting and keeping the decimal. So that here the dot is came. So now this 7 is your rupees and this 50 is your pice. So I told you, after this dot, the number which is located towards the right side of the dot is paisa and the number towards the left side of the decimal is rupees. So now we got the answer as 7.50. That is rupees 750 pice. Okay, so we'll see one more sum, 75 pice. So this has to be written in rupees. So 75 divided by 100. That is numerator 75, denominator 100. So now just write the numerator as it is. Denominator, how many zeros you have? 2 zeros. For this 2 zeros, from the right side to left side, from right to left, ones, tens. 2 places, for 2 zeros, 2 places you have to move and then keep a decimal. That is dot. Okay, so now after this dot, the value which is there is pice, and this before you don't have any value, so that you can treat it as 0. So the rupees is 0. So now the rupee value is rupee symbol 0.75. Okay, so this is how you can find out by converting the rupees and the paisa using this converting method. Thank you, children.